Hello once again. I hope you are fine. I'm teacher Gilbert at TDH as usual. Last time I taught you present simple tense. I taught you three main ways we can use the present simple tense, where we can use it to talk about routines, ibintu duhora dukora buri gihe. We saw also how you can use the present simple tense to talk about facts, ibintu bifatwa nk'ukuri. Iyo tubivuga dukoresha present simple tense. We also talked about how we use the present simple tense to refer to planned activities. Uburyo dushobora gukoresha present simple tense tugaragaza ibintu tuba twateguye, gahunda tuba twateguye mu gihe runaka. So today we are going to continue with the present simple tense. Present simple tense. Present simple tense. By focusing on how we can use adverbs of frequency with the present simple tense to describe actions we do more often. Tugiye kureba uburyo dukoresha present simple tense hamwe na adverbs of frequency. Okay, now adverbs of frequency are used with the present simple tense with present simple tense to show how often an action is done. Iyo dukoresheje izi adverbs of frequency hamwe na present simple tense tuba dushaka kwereka inshuro igikorwa gikorwa, how often or how many times an action is done. Now here we have different examples of adverbs of frequency. Among adverbs of frequency we have always. This adverb is used to mean that an action happens on daily basis. Tuyikoresha iyo tugaragaza igikorwa kiba buri gihe. Another adverb of frequency we have, which is very close to always, is usually. Usually mu kinyarwanda twavuga kenshi cyane. Ntabwo ari buri gihe ariko ni kenshi gashoboka. Reka dushyireho cyane, kenshi cyane. This also is an adverb of frequency. We also have, for example, often. Iyi often ivuga buri gihe, ivuga kenshi. Often. We have also sometimes. This one is also an adverb of frequency. This one can mean in Kinyarwanda rimwe na rimwe. We also have rarely. This one also is an adverb of frequency, which means gake cyane. Then the last one is never. This word never means nta na rimwe. Icyo turimo kuvuga gishobora kuba. So these are adverbs of frequency we have. How do we read them? This one is read as always. This one is usually. This one is often. This one is read as sometimes. This one is rarely. This one is never. So these are adverbs of frequency which are used with the present simple tense to tell us how often or how many times an action can happen. Now, let's use them in different sentences. Let us use these adverbs of frequency in different sentences. We are going to begin with always. For example, ufite igikorwa ukora buri gihe, ushobora gukoresha aka kajambo always ka adverbs of frequency. But first of all, let us look at the structure. Iyo dukoresheje adverbs of frequency, dufata subject, we take subject plus adverb, is adverbs zihita zikurikira subject, then tukabona gushyiraho verb in present simple tense, tugakomeza. Now, let us use all these adverbs in different sentences. For example, we can say, I always wake up at 6 a.m. Buri gihe mbyuka saa 12. So urabona ko iyi adverb of frequency irimo iratwereka inshuro iki gikorwa kiba. Buri gihe mbyuka saa 12. We can also have another example. My children always go to school early. Abana banjye buri gihe bajya ku ishuri hakiri kare. Urabona ko iyi adverb of frequency ndimo irimo irakurikira subject which is my children here in the second statement, while in the first statement subject is I. In present simple tense, to talk about how many times an action happens, we put these adverbs of frequency after the subject. Let's go to the second one. The second adverb of frequency is usually. This usually twabonye ko ivuga in Kinyarwanda kenshi cyane. Now you can say I usually eat rice in the restaurant. Ibi bisobanuye iki? Kubera aka kajambo usually bisobanuye ko inshuro nyinshi iyo ugiye muri resitora urya umuceri. Usually ntabwo ari buri gihe, ariko ni hafi ya buri gihe, inshuro nyinshi. We can see another example. My son usually uses French at home. Umuhungu wanjye kenshi cyane akoresha igifaransa mu rugo. Urimo urabibona neza ko this adverb of frequency is coming after subject. When we use these adverbs with the present simple tense to show how often an action happens, we put them after the subject. Let's go to the third adverb, which is often. Often ivuga kenshi. Ntabwo ari kenshi cyane, ni kenshi. For example, I often tell stories my children before they sleep. Abana banjye mbabwira inkuru kenshi mbere yuko baryama. Often bivuga kenshi. Now we are reaching this one sometimes. Sometimes ivuga rimwe na rimwe. Igikorwa ukora rimwe na rimwe kidahoraho, ariko kigenda kisubiramo, ushobora gukoresha sometimes. Urugero, I sometimes visit my kids at school. Rimwe na rimwe nsura abana banjye ku ishuri. Iyi sometimes irimo iravuga rimwe na rimwe nsura abana banjye ku ishuri. Now, another adverb of frequency we have is rarely. Iyi rarely tuyikoresha ku gikorwa kiba gake cyane. Iyo igikorwa kiba gake cyane ukoresha akajambo rarely, or you can even use seldom. You can say, for example, you can say, we rarely shout in class. Uvuze ngo we rarely shout in class, this rarely is showing iki gikorwa kiba gake cyane gashoboka. So this is what we mean by rarely. We rarely shout in class. Dusakuza mu ishuri gake cyane. Now the last adverb of frequency is this one, never. This never tuyikoresha ku gikorwa ku kintu kitaba, ntigishobora kuba. For example, you can say, you can use this never, you can say, we never play volleyball at home. Nta na rimwe tujya dukina umukino w'amaboko mu rugo. So this is how we can use these adverbs of frequency with the present simple tense to show how often an action can happen. Thank you very much. Keep on watching, keep on subscribing and sharing to make our channel grow. Thank you.